Hello everyone. So I have more than 1,000 videos on this channel, Ravi Sagar channel, and when you have so much content, you are also worried about how to organize it. Now, I have a few YouTube channels. Mainly, I have this channel, Ravi Sagar, and I also have one more channel called Blackberry Boy, where I talk about all the non-Jira things that I do. Now, the thing that I always try to do is, I mean, whenever I make a video and whenever the video is published on YouTube, I also make it a point to add the same video uh, on my website ravisagar.in. And in case you know about LBRY library, or I should say Odyssey, I also sync my videos on that platform. So yes, all of my videos are there on two platforms. And talking about how to find the content related to, let us say, Jira. So if you are following this channel, you are, I guess, interested in learning Atlassian tools like Jira, Script Runner, and all the things that I do. Now, when you when you're learning something, you also have to figure out where to go, what to look for, and that is why I have my website. To be honest, I think my website is great, but at the same time, I also think that people are not really using it. So uh, this is an ongoing effort from my side to ensure that I uh, improve the site in terms of the navigation. I mean, there are so many things that I would love to do, but I have limited time. But the most simplest thing that you can do is search, because I do have a search box on top. So if you go to my website ravisagar.in, just type in your query and try to find the information. And uh, my videos are mostly about, of course, doing things within Jira, or using automation rules, or using a script now for Jira, or using, let us say, portfolio. So, I mean, to be honest, I don't really think I have like 5 or 6 or 10 topics. I actually talk about the whole. I mean, I don't really limit myself to a specific set of features or apps. I basically talk about, I think the main idea on my channel is to solve your problems and to get the most out of Atlassian tools. I mean, that is what I do. I'm a consultant, and I have been using Jira and helping other people, organizations for more than 15 years now. And I think when it comes to using the tool, when it comes to solving a problem, let us say if you want to use Jira for maybe keeping track of your contracts, or maybe if you want to use Jira for keeping track of um, your legal documents. I mean, there are so many use cases, and good thing about Jira is that you can customize it. But at the same time, when you go to atlassian.com and when you try to download Jira, not download Jira, I mean cloud, we're talking about cloud. I mean, of course, you can also download Jira, but either you choose Jira Cloud, or if you are one of those few people, or few organizations who are still looking at Jira Data Center, then of course you can download to learn. But uh, I think it is not very easy, to be honest, when it comes to uh, to, to to adopting Jira, and also at the same time to start learning your or basically start your journey. And that is what I try to do. That is why I have so many videos. But at the same time, now what I'm doing moving forward, I do have a couple of plans. Number one, I am going to see how I can improve my website a bit more. Number two, uh, I'm also going to make, I mean, in fact, I started doing it already, but I'm also going to make slightly lengthier videos, because the number one reason why I have shorter videos is because I don't really have time to make lengthy videos. And at the same time, there is also, I think, an advantage of shorter videos, because if I make one big video and cover 10 topics, then if someone is searching for those 10 topics, then they might not find that particular video because you can only have one title in your video, title and description. But if you make 10 videos and you have 10 different titles, then it will improve. I mean, it is more likely that those 10 videos are more likely to be searchable. Searchable, yeah, I think that is a word. Uh, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to now also make, I will continue to make smaller videos, which I have been doing. And I'm also now making a point to make slightly lengthier videos because when you have to explain something uh, really well, I think lengthier videos do help. And I have started with the guide to start learning your Russian career. I will be also making on my channel proper pure tutorial based courses on Jira fundamentals. So on my channel, I don't really think I have like one specific video or maybe a couple of videos or maybe just a course on fundamentals. I mean, I do talk about Jira quite a lot and I do talk about various advanced things or various other things in bits and pieces, but I don't really have like a proper dedicated uh, video or maybe few videos on, let us say, Jira fundamentals or Jira pure Jira administration or maybe using a specific app. But of course, I do that I mean, I break up my topics and then I make smaller videos. And most of my videos are mostly about, let us say today I learned something and I want to share it, I share it. If I go to the community, Atlassian community, and if I have an interesting if I see an interesting question and I think I can make a video about it in maybe 10 minutes, I do that. So yes, I don't really spend too much time in making these videos. Recently, someone actually asked me that you must be working really hard to make these YouTube videos, and I mean, I think I do work hard, but at the same time, for making these videos, I don't really think I spend. I mean, when you say working hard, the definition of working hard could be different for all of us. Something which I think is working hard might not be working hard for you. So I personally don't think that to make these videos on YouTube on both of my channels, I don't really think I am working hard. It's more about I'm being consistent. So I make it a point to whenever I can to record at least one video, or I should say, at least two videos on this channel and also my other channel, Blackberry Boy. And I, of course, try to share if I have something to share. So, moving forward, I will be improving just to summarize, I will be improving my website slightly. I will be making slightly lengthier videos because sometimes you need a bit more time. And at the same time, please keep raising tickets for me because that is the only proper way to reach out to me and get my help. And when you raise a ticket for me, and you can do that by going to my website ravisagar.in, and you will find this floating, or not floating, but there you will find a button called contact me, or you can go to ravisagar.in/support and you will find a link to my support channel. But I think if you use the widget on my website, that is the quickest way to reach out to me. I mean, feel free to add a comment on my channel. I do look at those comments, to be honest, and I do try to reply. But if you think you need more time from me, then if you raise a ticket, then I will definitely plan to work on that particular. I mean, I'll try to look at your question, and if I can maybe help you, I will help you. I may have a script already or may have a video already, then I will, of course, redirect it towards you. And also, I do have a membership program, and I already have few members that I mean, I have few members who have joined my channel. And if you join my channel, I mean, to be honest, I don't really want to differentiate my content. I want my content to be free and accessible for everyone. But at the same time, if you think you want to help me, so you can join my membership program. So you can go to ravisagar.in/join, or you can go to my website sparksys.com/join. You can join my membership program. I just have one membership program right now, so you will get free books, and you will also get priority response to your tickets. I may not be able to solve your problem, but I will try to reply to you. You will get preference. I think that is the only thing that I want to do, to be honest. If you're a, if you pay for the membership program, and it's more about you supporting my channel. That is the main idea. And apart from everything else, if you, let us say, are an organization, or if you are working in your company and you need my help, like if you need my consultation, you can also reach out to me. So you can go to my website ravisagar. Not ravisagar. Yeah, you can also reach out to me using ravisagar.in. But if you need my consultation services, or if you think you need a training on Jira, or maybe you just need my help, I do have Atlassian consultancy services, which you can take a look at on sparksys.com. So do reach out to me. I mean, of course, I want to, on this channel, make sure that I keep on helping you guys, but at the same time, it is also a benefit for me because I also have this target of learning something new every day. It could be a small thing, it could be a big thing, but uh, even to make these videos, sometimes I have to, not sometimes, I think usually I have to do some research. I mean, not really a lot of time, but I do have to, sometimes spend some time to find an answer and then, of course, make a video. Uh, in the next few weeks or months, I I took a not a break, but I because on my channel I have already hundreds of videos on script for Jira, so I will be also making a lot of videos on script for Jira. But I do have some plans in that area, which I will definitely share soon. So that is all I wanted to talk about today. Today is Sunday. The weather is really good right now. I really enjoyed the weekend, and next week, of course, I will be a bit more busy than usual because everyone in UK. I mean, so this week and last week was the school holiday break time because usually around this time of the year, around Easter time, there is a 2 week break and people go on leave. So next week onward, I know I will be a bit more occupied, but of course I will continue to make my daily videos. And the last thing, yeah, I guess I'm just talking about things because I always have something to talk about. So uh, I on if you follow my channel, I guess you already know it, but I do make like regular, not regular, but whenever I have significant updates from like Atlassian updates, I do make a video. But uh, but I am now going to start writing more regularly about these updates because I think in the last few months there are a lot of updates, small updates, big updates. But yeah, I think there is a lot of there is a lot happening in the Atlassian ecosystem. And if you go to my website ravisagar.in, you will find either a blog post or some information about those updates. Of course, I don't really want to repeat what you already know or what is already there on the Atlassian website, but it would be my perspective on how those updates might affect us and what we can do about those updates. For example, day before yesterday, or was it yesterday? Or I guess my last video was about new Jira free apps. So yes, that is also an update. I mean, if there is a new app, I try to normally, if I can find something interesting, I make a video about it. But if I don't really have time, I'll just let you know that there are few new apps, free apps that you should look at, which I did. So that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.